Chandra Shukla was born on 1925, died 2016. He was an Indian painter and art critic. Shukla was born in a small village called Shukulpura of district Basti, Uttar Pradesh in a farmer's family. Soon after that his father shifted to a prominent, cultural city, Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, where he grew up. He graduated from the Allahabad University and studied painting under a renowned Indian painter of the Bengal School, Kshitindra Nath Majumdar. He is honored as proud past alumni of Allahabad University by Allahabad University Alumni Association. Shukla joined Banaras Hindu University as a teacher of art in the Department of Painting. He retired as a professor and the head of Department of Painting of Banaras Hindu University in the year 1985. Subsequently, he shifted to his native place, Allahabad, and started his studio there. Shukla does not try to sell his paintings, he simply wants to go in the depth of art itself and work as a spiritual painter, enjoying the bliss of art. He is known for his experiment with brush and colors. He developed various indigenous style of painting, of which most important are Kashi Shailee, Samikshavad and intuitive paintings. He received Fellowship State Lalit Kala Academy Award in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Bhushan, Hindi Sansthan in Uttar Pradesh, Jo Ferganard in France, Veteran Artist, AFAX, New Delhi and so many.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.